everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name's Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2021 Toyota CHR XL. This one was our demonstrator vehicle. So it has two owners. We were the previous owner and the owner before that had the car from new. It's a really lovely vehicle. The XL means it's the top of the range car. It's the hybrid, the 1.8 self-charging hybrid. Full LEDs, full leather, electric driver's seat, etc. Once you're inside the car now, you've got the genuine mats. The updated mileage, it won't go up from this now. You can see is 23,719, so that's not too bad at all. You can see it's got service history with Toyota. That's done on the 25th of August 2022 at Vantage, where it was previously from. We will give it another service as well before we do take it, so that's great peace of mind. Of course, they're very reliable vehicles, the Toyotas, and we know Honda's Japanese hybrid vehicles similar. It does come with the next base camera as well, all installed, so that's really great. It's your dash cam, and Toyota uses the next base models, which are really good and all wired in for you, so that's nice and tidy and one less thing to worry about slash a nice extra to have. The XL, it's got the rear camera, really handy. You've got blind spot monitoring, the electronic handbrake that comes on automatically, and so much more. Navigation, dual zone climate control, heated front seats. You do also have the really nice heated steering wheel as well, which is a lovely feature, auto light, and so much more. So it's a great vehicle. If you are interested in test driving this Toyota CHR XL, please don't hesitate to contact us. It shouldn't be with us for very long. You can give us a call at 01539 760 371 and we'll be happy to answer any questions you've got. This car does actually have a tow bar. You've got a large boot, and under the boot floor you've got your tyre inflation kit. So yeah, you've got the genuine tow bar, which I'll show you now. From factory, last time I checked, it was about £500, and aftermarket was upwards of £750 to get one of these fitted. This one actually had it fitted from the factory. Got a small trailer or caravan. So it's attachable to the car. Really easy to use, these ones. So as you can see there, the green indicator shows. It's quite a simple process of doing it. It's just a knack to it. And really useful that you've got a tow bar there, they're locked into place with the green indicator. You've got both keys on the keys as well, so that is great that you've got that addition. Really great USP of this car. So a great car with the tow bar, being the XL top of the range model. You've got your heated seats, steering wheel, full LEDs, rear tinted windows, front and rear sensors, front fog lights, and so much more. It's a great vehicle. If you've got any questions about the CHR, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be happy to help. We're based on the Kendal Motor Village at the Honda dealership. Automart's just behind. We are part of the Cox Motor Group. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome too. No matter the age, make, model, mileage of car, we'll have a look into it and we'll get you the best price we possibly can. This vehicle will come with 6 months warranty as well, so that gives you extra peace of mind. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you very shortly.